not in there, bro. Get out of there.
Put it down. Put it down.
Nope. He wasn't in there.
Put it down and call the police.
Call him.
I said you call the police.
No, I'm not calling him.
Okay, put it down.
You're not in there.
Put it down.
Nope.
Thanks.
What?
They know they can't take it. Just don't talk to them. Don't talk to them. Don't talk to them. They know they can't. I already told him to put it down. He can put it down, or he can call the police. Either one.
Well, call the cops. I'm not calling no cops.
Either one.
Call the cops, but I'm not putting it down because he's not in the car. The camera just shows that he's not in the car.
So I'm protesting the tow. No, don't talk to him. So I'm protesting the tow. So that means that you have to put it down. You don't have to talk to him. I'm asking him. I'm protesting in accordance with federal law, and I'm asking him to put down the car.
I'm not, bro. You was not in the car. It shows. I got cameras on my truck, bro.
It doesn't matter that I was in the car.
It don't matter. We'll sit here all day, bro. I ain't got no time.
This car doesn't belong to you.
It don't belong to you neither.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
If it doesn't belong to me, then why don't you tow it with me in it? Or why don't you call the police? Do one of those. Why don't you do that?
Oh my God. He's like.
I know it's like what you're doing is illegal. It's like if you got a repo order, then take it. If you got the right to take it, then take it. But I'm not going to move. I'm not going to leave the vehicle, and the police can't even take me out the vehicle. East Point police are right here, but you know the law. Right, so you know you can't call the police, you can't take the car, there's nothing you can do, you got to put it down. You already know. I watched y'all go around. Right, so you know you can't take it. So and how do you even know it's the car? How do you know it's the car? No, how do you know it's the car that you got a repo order for? Where? Where is it on the car? Show me. Show me. Show me the vid.
The VIN right here.
Huh? Ma'am. Ma'am. If you want, you can take my info, you can call the police. And so the way that this works, no, so I've been through it before. And so the way that it works, this car does not belong to them. I'm protesting, which means that they got to put the car down. The only alternative that they have is they can call the police and ask for help. But the reason that they won't do that, because it's against federal law, and then they'll have to pay for breaking the law. So that's why they won't call the police. So they're blocking your car. It's a good thing that you're recording. You can call the police. And if the police say, hey, they want to drag me out the vehicle and bust it, then the police can violate federal law and do that. But you're protected, but it's good, just record. Yeah, just record whatever you want to record. And if you need my information, so that you can have East Point pull up over here, but I can't call them because it's called a breach of the peace. And with the breach of the peace, it means that I can't call the police. But if they call them, it's a breach of the peace. So they're basically holding you hostage.
So
they're holding you hostage.
what's going on? Like what?
Can you get Jira?
We got you, baby. We gonna
Jira.
tell them about this
Jira.
thing. Come on.
Alright, now turn away this way. Right up on the curb.
Jira. Jira.
Yeah, you gotta kill soul. Yeah, don't hit the truck now.
Jira.
Go straight. Hey, that's one car out the way.
Go ahead. Come go ahead.
That kill soul.
How you doing? If you have the right information and you feel like you can kidnap me and pull me with the car, go ahead and pull me with the car.
You see this? You're not in the car, bro.
If you feel like that, gives you the right, and you feel that that's legally right, then do what you believe. But I'm telling you that you're breaking the law. You're breaking the federal law. You're breaking federal law. You know, it's not local. It's fine. It's fine. You're breaking federal law. We're not talking about local law. You're breaking federal law. So I asked you to put down the car. I asked you to put down the car. If you think you're right, call the police, and the police can drag me out. The police can arrest me, like you said. Like it's called breaching the peace. If the police show up, then it's over. Oh, okay. And you're still breaching. You're breaching the peace. You're making a scene. I already got the young lady's information. I already got the young lady's information right next to her. You're making a fool out of me in public. You're making a fool out of me in public. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me. You're embarrassing me in a public place, which is against the law, trying to take a car that doesn't belong to you. This car doesn't belong to you. It doesn't belong to you. It does. It belongs to me. So where's your court order? Your court order. From what court? I'm just letting you, it would be your fault. That was an accident. That was an accident. So what you're doing, because what I went in there just to make sure y'all not illegally towing vehicles. So when you went to the other Mercedes, and then I went in there, say, hey, they're trying to tow a Mercedes. That's what I was letting them know, because you guys are illegally towing vehicles. Okay, well, did you tried to repossess it, so that vehicle is not paid for, that you tried to repossess? So it was the wrong car. So how do you know this is the right car? Okay, well, if it's the right car and you feel like you have the legal right to tow it, then go ahead and tow it. But I'm telling you, you're breaking the law. You're breaking the law. You're still breaking the law. I'm in the vehicle. You're holding me hostage. You're breaking the law. You're going, okay, 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 okay. So you said you're gonna beat my ass? You should have beat my ass? So you said you should have beat my ass? She said she want to beat my ass? Oh, okay. So you're holding hostage, you're threatening to beat my ass. Please put down the vehicle so I can leave. This is humiliating. Guys, this is humiliating. I mean, I can't believe, like, all these people watching me, like I did something wrong, like I'm a criminal or something. Just because you guys want to break the law. I asked you to put the car down. Sir, will you please put the car down? Will you please put the car down, sir? Sir, this is humiliating. Will you please put down the vehicle? This is humiliating. You guys are treating me like I'm a criminal. You're holding me hostage. What's the name of this company? What's the name of this company? can you let me know what the license plate number is? And the name of the company? Yeah, the license plate number and the name of the company. Can you take a picture?
You see how they folded up their
License plate?
see how they folded up their license plate right there? You want me to go ahead and call 911?
No.
I'll get a close up of the folded license plate.
The attorney.
They're causing damage to the tire. Causing damage to the tire.
Is that the license plate in the left window? Where's the license plate?
Your windows are actually tinted.
Is there a company name listed? Is there a company name on the truck?
You want me to go ahead and call 911?
No. Is there a company name on the truck?
Yeah. It's Slow Down Towing. Oh no. I'll check again.
How long are you guys gonna hold me hostage? You know this is a... So you're gonna hold me hostage?
I'm not holding you hostage, sir. You were not in the car when my son was hooked to it. So I need a police report showing that you were not in the car when he hooked it. Then you can go. I need a police report. I called the police. They're on their way.
Oh, so...
I would have brought your car, but after I get a police report showing him the video that you were not in the car when he hooked it. You ran from over there. I was showing the video.
I was in the car when he lifted it. When he lifted the car, I was in the vehicle. And that's illegal. And that's illegal. You lifted the car with me in it. You broke the law. And you're holding me hostage and embarrassing me in front of all these fine people in Camp Creek. You breached the peace. That's against federal law. I'm sorry. You're embarrassing me in front of all these fine people. You've been holding me hostage for 35 minutes. This is false imprisonment. You've been holding me hostage. You've been holding me hostage for 35 minutes. This is false imprisonment. This is false imprisonment. This is not how you should treat a veteran. You're breaking the law. You're breaking the law, ma'am. You already broke the law. You already break the law. You can't protect yourself. You already broke the law. You already breached the peace, and you're holding me hostage. You don't have to hold me hostage to get a police report. I was in the car when he lifted it. You. I mean, if you have the video. This is so humiliating. This is so humiliating. I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is happening.
He's holding you hostage.
Yeah, we'll handle it later. I've asked them to put me down. We'll handle it later. I just need the company information.
And we can get that from the police. When the police come, I'm gonna let them know the windows are extra tinted. There's no license plate visible, and there's no name. I don't know if that's really a big issue because I'm sure they deal with the cops office. But they're basically holding you hostage. They're damaging the back tire. You want me to get the back tire? I'm gonna go look up the law real quick so we know what to put on the police report.
And in case you didn't know, calling the police to assist with a tow is a breach of the peace. Calling the police to assist with a tow is a breach of the peace. Please just put down the car so I can go. It's been about how long? It's been 43 minutes. Calling the police is a breach of the peace. The police cannot assist you with the tow. Please put down the vehicle. This is very embarrassing. This is very embarrassing. It's a breach of the peace. It's a breach of the peace. This is very embarrassing. It's illegal.
So when the so the police may not know that.
If the police know the law, then they won't come because they know that they can't assist you with a tow because it's a federal. It's.
I need a police report to protect myself, sir. I clearly know the law. But under the circumstances, when you threaten like that, I'm getting a police report to protect myself. You were not in the vehicle. You cannot cause your own.
So it seems like you need your separate police report. Should I call the cops?
The police cannot assist you without breaking the law. If the police assist you, then they're in breach of the peace. You are already in breach of the peace. So they don't have any company name or anything on their car? Can you just record around the whole vehicle? Can you record around the whole vehicle? Excuse me.
case the police don't completely know the law, I would not get out of the car. And then they have it right here.
I know the law.
I just sent you I saw it. They got it written on paper on the side of the truck. The windows. Yeah,
What the
got it.
You have the license plate number?
Huh?
You have the license plate number? You have the company name?
No license plate.
Just record the police to make sure I'm safe. Officer, it's a violation of federal law to assist in a tow. That's a breach of the peace. It's a violation of federal law to assist with a tow. That is a breach of the peace.
You the repo man? You the repo man?
Their conversation. You want me to record the conversation?
Huh?
Record the conversation.
No, I mean just record their interaction with me. How you doing, officer? Officer, I just wanted to let you know that it was illegal for them to call you. And it's illegal for them to call you and the request that you. It's illegal for them. It's against the federal law for them to call you and to request you to assist with their tow. That's a breach of the peace. It's illegal for you to assist with the tow. It's illegal, officer. It's a federal violation. Sir, officer, good officer. It's against federal law for you to assist with her tow. It's against the federal law. It's against the federal law to assist. It is a breach of the peace for her to call the police. That is illegal. And for you guys to assist her is also illegal. How you doing, sir? I don't think they're familiar with the federal law.
What federal law?
It's a breach of the peace for them to try to take the vehicle when they do not own the vehicle. And I protested and I asked them to put down the vehicle. I've been held hostage for 51 minutes.
The thing is, you did not make any payment on the car.
No, sir. So, the law is, it is a breach of the peace.
It's not about the law, sir. It's about you not making payments on the car.
No, sir. I'm sorry. You may not be familiar with federal law, but it is a federal crime to assist with the tow.
Okay. If you did not pay, they are 100% correct, right, to come get the car. Okay?
Sir, I've been through this, sir. I've been through this.
Do you have any proof that you made any payments on the car?
Sir, can I show you something, sir? Well, I'm recording with both phones. Let me out. Almost. How you doing, sir?
Doing, sir? What you got?
I'm just trying.
He's sure,
It,
man.
it's a federal violation for them to call the police. They knew that, but she's saying she's afraid to be sued because she's already broken the law. It's a federal violation to breach the peace. When I asked her to put down the vehicle, when I was in the vehicle, it doesn't matter when she thinks or how long I was in the vehicle. When I asked her to put down the vehicle, she did not put down the vehicle.
Okay, we ain't even there yet. All I need is just your driver's license. He gonna take info on your phone number. I'm gonna get hers, and we gonna start there. We ain't gotta get that far yet. I hear what you're saying, but we'll get there. Just give me your driver's license.
Have I committed a crime?
You have not committed a crime, but I'm here investigating, so that means you have to give him your ID and your phone number, and I'm gonna get her ID and her phone number. All that's gonna be in the report. Just go ahead and give me that information for me.
Good.
Are you the supervisor?
Who?
Is he the supervisor?
No, he's not.
Can you call the supervisor, please?
Not yet. Sure, yeah, go ahead, give me a driver's license.
Have I committed a crime?
Not yet, sir.
Are you assisting with the tow? That's a violation of federal law.
I can't tell you anything yet, sir. Just give me your driver's license and your phone number and everything.
Have I violated the law?
Sir, please, give me your driver's license. Last time.
Last time or what, sir?
Give me your driver's license.
You want me to hold
Or
the
what?
phone?
Or what,
Are you
sir?
with him?
I'm just a civilian.
Okay, give
Oh,
me your
what,
driver's
sir?
license.
Sir, can I have a supervisor,
I
please?
need your driver's license.
Have I broken the law?
For the last time.
Have I broken the law? Have I broken the law? Have I broken the law?
Give me your driver's license.
Sir.
Why?
Sir.
Why? What's the legal
I need
reason?
Your driver's license.
Sir,
now.
I understand.
We,
I really
we have to follow the law.
resolve this in the most peaceful way because God is here with us all, and I pray that we all come to an understanding that I just want to know how we can resolve this as peacefully as possible.
He does
Just
not
as
want to give
peacefully as
me
possible.
his driver's license.
You got your driver's license?
He opened the window and
Sir, have I violated the law? It is illegal. I'm letting you know it's against federal law.
all I asked was a driver's license.
It is against federal law to assist with the tow. She has already broken the law. You guys, this happened in the city. This happened in the city of South Fulton, and it was illegal. And this is the same thing that's happening now.
Sir?
If you guys want to break the law, if you want to arrest me, if you want to demand that I provide you my ID when I haven't broken the law, when I haven't done anything, then you can damage the vehicle. You can arrest me.
I didn't say you did anything wrong, right?
Uh-huh.
All I advise is that I'm just investigating. I just want to know who I'm dealing with, okay? Which is very legal, okay? By not giving it to me during the course of this investigation, that could prove to be a problem, okay? So I want you to understand something. I'm not saying you did anything wrong.
It is illegal to assist with a tow. She called you to
Hold on,
assist
stop.
with a tow.
You ain't talking, listen at the same time.
Okay.
Let me finish, and I'm gonna let you talk, okay?
Okay.
I'm not saying you did anything wrong, okay? I want you to understand that. But what I am saying is, I'm here investigating a call, right? That gives me legal bias to be here. What that also means is, by that law, Georgia law, I have the right to identify everybody involved in that situation, okay? Now, once again, I'm not saying you did anything wrong. You could be in the right here, which we could get there. But by you stopping me from doing that, you are doing something illegal. That's called obstruction, okay?
I have a question.
Hold on 1 second. So, I'm gonna ask you again. Just go ahead, give my officer your driver's license, and then we'll probably, to be completely honest with you, get you exactly where you're trying to go. Because I see where you're trying to go, but you could possibly, by expression, shoot yourself in the foot. Okay, I see where you're trying to go, but you going about it the wrong way. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say to you. Without saying, okay. So you can do what you want to do, and then we're gonna have to do what we gotta do. But my recommendation to you, because I don't give legal advice, because I wear a shield, I don't wear a black robe. Okay, I don't judge people. To get you where you're trying to go, I would recommend you just giving me a driver's license. I'm not telling you to. I would recommend you do it, okay? Just my recommendation, and then we'll go from there, okay? What was your question, man?
No questions.
You can ask a question.
Well,
No,
it's
no.
just a simple question.
Okay.
Yes,
I was
ma'am.
just wondering
She called the police. She broke the law, and they'll break the law if they assist her. That's all.
But the call was, on the basis of the call was between the tow truck and the driver of the car, so that would be a
Well,
civil
incorrect.
matter.
We received multiple calls. So I'm investigating a situation. I'm not investigating a call. I'm investigating a situation that we received multiple calls to our dispatch.
Do you
Okay.
mind me asking what the situation is?
I do. The situation is this one. Okay.
What
We
is the
received multiple calls
situation?
about this situation, so we're not choosing sides. Right now, I'm gathering information.
So there's an
Hold on, let me
investigation.
finish. Him not giving me his information is prohibiting me from doing that investigation, and we're gonna go from there if he chooses. not to
I just
provide,
asked
which
him.
is his choice.
I asked, can we get a supervisor?
Huh?
I asked, can we get a
Supervisor's
supervisor?
coming. Supervisor's coming.
That's all.
So
With the-
supervisor's on scene.
Okay.
So the investigation is between the
They're assisting with the tow.
company and the civilian.
I am here for
To
this.
to
okay?
assist with the tow.
Point blank period. Point blank period. I'm here for this. Okay.
This
so,
is what
absolutely. So,
this is what
so my
Carmex.
question to you
This
is
what Carmex does.
I'm sorry. What's that?
No, I said this is what Carmex does. You guys aren't. I mean, it's not any. You guys may not be that familiar with the federal law in terms of breaching the peace, but the police are assisting with the tow.
I got you.
And
And like I said, I understand all of that. Like I said, I understand where you're going. But what I want you to understand is one.
my attorney advised me.
You're in East Point, okay?
Uh-huh.
All I'm asking you for
That,
is your
but it's the
license.
whole state of Georgia. It's the whole state of Georgia.
I got you.
You didn't tell me I
So-
committed a crime. I didn't. What crime did I
I
commit?
didn't say you
Am I
committed a crime.
am I suspected of a crime?
No, you're not.
Then why
All
are
I'm
you
doing
asking
is
for
I'm
my
investigating.
identification?
I'm investigating, okay? That means I have the right to identify you.
Sir,
her, and
I'm in a
anybody
vehicle
that's
that's in a tow. That's on a tow. That's on a tow truck.
So, here's where we're at, okay? It's up to you whether you want to provide the information or not, okay?
I just asked them to
Hold on,
speak to a
let me finish.
supervisor.
Let me finish, because like I said, I'm gonna try to get you where you want to go, but one or two things gonna happen. Either you can give me your driver's license to identify you for my report, or if you choose not to, I'm going to charge you with obstruction, okay? And then you're going to be forcibly removed from the vehicle. Okay. So it's up to you how you want to handle it. Okay. Like I said, I understand by your verbiage and what you've told me so far where you're trying to go, and I have no problem helping you get there. But by you not giving me your driver's license, it's gonna go away. I don't think you want it to go. Okay. That's why I'm providing you with information right now. Okay. So
Can we speak to a supervisor?
absolutely.
You like to call it?
2776. Just go tell Sarge you'd like to speak with supervisor.
I would think they would just be looking for money.
Disregard. Be right back with you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Press 0 for the operator. Do you know your party's extension or for a listing directory, dial pound.
How you doing?
How you doing, sir?
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm not trying to cause
You lower
any.
this down a little bit more, I can hear you.
Yeah.
This diesel engine is really loud. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm not trying to cause any problem, and I respect what you guys are doing.
Appreciate it.
And I was just letting the officers know.
Give me a minute.
I was just letting the officers know that it's illegal. It's a federal violation for them to contact the police to assist with the tow. She's held me hostage for an hour because she wanted a police report.
Okay.
And that's illegal. And it's not only illegal for her to call the police, but it's illegal for the police to assist with the tow. This vehicle hasn't been involved in an incident similar to that, and
Okay.
and it went to federal court, and so this is a very similar situation. The time before, I wasn't aware of my rights, and the police officers, the city of South Fulton, they threatened to arrest me if I didn't leave the vehicle.
Okay.
And that's really what's happened. He didn't use those words explicitly, but he said if
He doesn't want to.
yeah, but he said if I don't provide my ID, then
Well, at
then
least can you at least, if he decides to write your name and date of birth down and telephone number and an address, will that work?
that's fine.
Because we have policy. We got policy that even if let's
That's fine.
reverse
I
the
can provide
situation,
that.
if they're asking for a police report, per policy we got to give them one. Even if it's 2 lines, we got to give them 2 lines. But he has policy
And-
just on he's got to be able to speak to everybody because, like you said, this is a civil dispute.
Right.
We don't get involved in civil disputes
Right,
and
it's a
stuff
breach.
like that.
It's a breach of the peace.
Absolutely.
It's a breach of the peace for them. But you guys, I wouldn't say. It's just my opinion, by the way that you guys have handled so far, that you haven't breached the peace, right?
Believe it or not, if he doesn't give them what they want, the chief will suspend them for 10 days.
So I was wondering.
He's
Okay.
not trying to get hit in the
Yeah,
pocket.
yeah. No, I understand. I'll be happy to
appreciate
give
it.
the information that you've
appreciate
requested.
it.
But I asked, did I violate a law? And that's where
It's
I
all
had
civil.
that's why I had the
Yeah,
concern. I
all
was like,
civil.
he's asking for my information, but to my knowledge, I'm not being accused of a crime. I've been kidnapped. It's been an hour, and I've been held against my will in a vehicle, and then they called the police to assist.
But no, since the young lady and the gentleman that was driving the truck understand that they're basically just gonna drop their car, no big deal. They're saying, hey, we want a police report. So because
But they said they're not going to drop the car until they get the police report, which is basically, that's where it's kind of like, hey, we need the police to assist us with holding you hostage until we get a police report, and then we'll let you go. And that's a breach of the peace.
I could get them to drop it, but the big thing is that
I'm not going anywhere. But but the way
Would you
that,
rather the officer talk on this side like what I'm doing right now? Just say at least give you some space.
it's fine either way. I mean, it's comfortable for me. I mean, you're doing your job. You're doing you're doing a great job. I just asked for a supervisor,
Yeah.
and I felt very threatened. I'm a veteran. I suffer from PTSD,
I got you.
and so being closed in here is very traumatic for me. You know, it brings flashbacks to times when I've been harmed before. You know, stuff that I've suffered before, and so. You know, when I just asked for a supervisor, it was just because I thought maybe you guys weren't familiar with the law, and I just wanted to share that. That's all.
You're not the first, you're not the last.
Yeah.
When stuff like this happens, they realize that hey, no big deal, they'll drop it. But every tow company that we deal with that has been contracted with the lien holder before, every last one of them say, hey, I need a police report to give to the lien holder. That's their primary reason why they're asking for it, because if they don't, on situations like this, they'll lose the business with the lien holder. So like I said, per policy, if they're asking for it, or if the situation was reversed, let's just say they didn't want a police report, but if you said, hey, I want a police report based off of what's going on right now, we got to give you that.
But I do want a police report.
Yeah, we'll document it.
Because I mean, I didn't call the police.
Absolutely. Yeah, we'll document it, and that way he'll give everybody that's involved the case number, and that way you guys are good.
Okay.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds good, sir.
Do you want him to come talk over here?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Just write down his name, address, date of birth, and telephone number. He's good with that.
Okay,
Once
that's
it comes back, give him a case number. That way he's good.
That's fine.
But yeah, he's good. He just wanted some clarification. I gave it to him, so he says no problem.
Absolutely.
All right,
No
cool.
problem. Okay, sir. I'm ready when you are.
Before I drive off, any questions for me at all?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll talk to her in a minute. But I just want to make sure you're good before I walk off and talk to this young lady. Okay.
No,
Appreciate
sir.
it.
Thank you, sir.
All right. What's your first name for me, sir?
Birth name is Joseph.
Joseph.
Last name Otis, Otis.
What's the last name? I'm sorry.
Last name Otis.
Otis. All right. What's your birthday, Mr. Otis?
Press 1.
October
To send the
26,
message now,
1984.
Press 2. To re-record the message, press 3. To cancel delivery of this message and hang
Perfect.
up,
What's a good phone number
press-
for you?
The message has
678.
been sent. Goodbye.
231.
231
Yes, sir. 4785.
4785. Thank you very much, sir. I'll be right back with you.